Hey, how's it going YouTube? Josh here with Work Save Bitcoin, the channel where we talk about protecting your time and energy by saving in Bitcoin no matter your budget. Today I want to talk about something that blows my mind, how you can spend $100,000 or even $500,000 on a college education and yet not a single class will teach you how money actually works and how it's created. You'll learn how to be an obedient worker, how to navigate one specific industry, and how to operate within the system. But the most important thing, understanding the money itself, the thing you work for, how does it work, that education is nowhere to be found. This is why Bitcoin education is so crucial. If we don't teach each other, no one else will. And right now I see a lot of distractions within the space. Altcoin mania is back, and one of the biggest culprits is XRP. Let's talk about why this is dangerous and why Bitcoin is the only real revolution. Why Bitcoin education is the key to financial freedom. Most people don't realize that the money we use every day is designed to lose value over time no matter what. The US dollar is a fiat currency, meaning it's backed by nothing and can be printed at will. The system benefits the people at the top, those closest to the money printer, while everyone else gets left behind. Bitcoin changes this. It's decentralized and a finite asset that no one can manipulate. But if you don't understand why that matters, it's easy to get lured into the noise of the crypto space, especially by projects that sell you on hype rather than fundamentals. XRP and the altcoin distraction. I've been seeing a lot of mania around XRP lately, and to be honest, it's a bit concerning. XRP is centralized, unlike Bitcoin, which has no central authority. XRP is controlled by a company, Ripple Labs. That means there's a CEO, a board, and insiders who call the shots. It's pre-mined with insider allocations. Billions of XRP tokens were handed out to insiders before retail investors ever had access. Compare that to Bitcoin, which had a fair launch where anyone could mine it from day one. The blockchain is missing blocks. XRP's ledger has had recorded history disappear, which is a massive red flag. Bitcoin, on the other hand, has an unbroken, immutable chain of transactions dating all the way back to its creation in 2009. Unit bias is a selling point. People love to buy XRP because it's quote-unquote cheap, not understanding that price per unit is meaningless. There are 100 billion XRP tokens, while Bitcoin only has 21 million. The price of an asset alone does not determine its value, its fundamentals do. Why Bitcoin has no CEO and why that matters. One of the most powerful aspects of Bitcoin is that it has no CEO. No company owns it. No one can make decisions that impact the entire network. That's the opposite of XRP. Ripple Labs has executives who actively market XRP, make deals, and control large portions of its supply. This isn't innovation, it's a company selling a product. Bitcoin, on the other hand, is a protocol, an open source network that anyone can use and no one can control. This is why Bitcoin education is so important. If you don't understand what makes Bitcoin different, you might think XRP, Ethereum, or some other altcoin is the same thing, or even better. That's exactly how people get trapped into bad investments and scams. The real revolution, learning, not gambling. Bitcoin isn't about getting rich quick. It's about learning, understanding, and opting out of a broken system. If you don't take the time to educate yourself, the market will educate you the hard way. That's why I make these videos, because I believe Bitcoin is the greatest opportunity of our lifetime, but it only works if we help people see through the noise. Satoshi Nakamoto created Bitcoin and gifted it to the world and didn't sell or move any of their coins. Unlike XRP's creators, who aren't afraid to fund yacht parties with the proceeds from the token they themselves created. Bitcoin is the only true, decentralized, censorship-resistant sound money in the world. Everything else is noise, XRP, meme coins, and whatever's trending this week. These are distractions. If you want real financial freedom, it starts with education. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and share this with a friend who needs to hear it. Together, let's work, save, and build a brighter future with Bitcoin. See you in the next video.